Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing tonight? I'd like to welcome to the stage the lyrically acclaimed.
Look at this. This is total jank. No bag for everything. I'm just gonna rock the shoes. Have a bag just for my helmet and suit, but you know that's what we gotta do. What's up, guys? We're here at Apex Motorclub in Phoenix, Arizona. My uncle called me. and was like, "Yo, there's an open spot to go drive the McLaren Artura GT4." So I was like, "Might as well." It's a private track. It's really cool. There's some cool corners. I've never been here. I don't know anything about the track, so we're gonna see how it goes. Never driven the car, the track, but I know that I could probably be able to put a lap together. GT3. Alright, so I got basically 10 to 15 minutes to drive the thing. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go put a number down. I'm just gonna go learn and have fun, but should be good. I'm excited. Alright. Censor this. Actually, censor it.
I'm zoomed on your face.
But it's cool just to, you never know the opportunities that will come up, and it's the most spontaneous shit ever we just did. We literally, I still don't understand how, like, I literally called Luke and I was like, "Yo, bro, we gotta dip. We gotta leave now."
He has one that just slides under your helmet, so don't tighten your helmet too much yet.
Okay.
And he'll just slide it underneath.
Okay, I don't need these.
Yeah, you don't need those. That'll be okay.
Yeah.
Yep. That way you guys will be able to talk. It'll just be live. You know, you won't have to push to talk or anything. It'll just be on the whole time. So just don't swear or anything, and call him an idiot or anything. He'll hear you.
Okay.
The power delivery is really good.
Yeah.
Smooth. Brakes are really good.
Cool. Yeah, Trofeo, we have to keep freaking pumping them.
Yeah,
because
tap
they
them
have
down
knockback.
straight.
It's so bad.
No, you know, I didn't feel a lot of knockback in it this morning, and nobody's complained about it. Like, everybody's like, whoa.
Yeah.
Like, so. We'll go out, pit out, right? Where there's a signal light there, we have to wait to go green. And then turns 2 and 3 are pretty easy, 90 degrees.
Double right.
Late apex, yep, double road straight away.
Into a little S, right?
Yep, and then we got the chicane that turns off to the right.
Yeah.
I'm well ahead, I do this shit heavily. Simple but I'm intricate. Baby girl, don't play with me. Couple nights in big serve, bitch, I feel like LMPs. All you got is books and no papers, what you telling me? Fuck it, I'ma ride my bike. S-work specialized, whole frame carbon fiber. I really can't stress about it. Hit the bank 6 times, nigga, that was all deposits. Back when I had 20 toes, everything was autopilot. So I can't babysit you. I can get this paper with
Yeah,
you.
we'll see. I
Take
mean,
you
this
around the
is
world.
good. I think if I could talk to Buddy. All right, debrief.
How was it? How was the car?
Oh, the car was super cool. Really fun to drive. Yeah, I only got like 6 laps, but the track is actually really cool. I actually love this. This is probably like a top 10 track, which is big. Can you like put like top 10 like lists?
Top
or
10,
something?
okay.
Like top 10 and fire explosion. Top 10.
But
Keawn
different than
Tandon.
Trofeo?
Very different from Trofeo. It's a lot easier to drive. The skill gap is going to be a lot smaller in this series, but it's super cool. I mean, I just want to thank my uncle for this opportunity and McLaren Scottsdale, and yeah, I mean, let's go freaking go drive more McLarens.
Racers, start your engines.
Oh, I'm good. Behind me is a 2024 Ford Bronco. No, stop. No, don't go back. Alright guys, we're here at 10. We were driving with all these amazing cars, 918. Whoa, what is that?